the concept of an ICO, or initial coin offering, is really fashioned after an IPO. Now, since they first came out, they've become a regulated instrument, which is absolutely necessary. And the app coins, or the tokens that come out of these ICOs, are deemed to be a security. Where this gets really interesting as it relates, I think, to the security industry, is that the app coin has so many more applications other than just being a traditional, what we would understand as security, because it's also a currency. It's also a loyalty card. It's also a customer acquisition tool. It's all of these things wrapped up into, a single piece of code, if you will, not a single piece of code, but a piece of code that can be inserted into somebody's wallet. So we tend at ACI, we tend not to think of them as currencies or tokens, but we tend to think of them as application coins, because they have so many applications across that entire kind of platform that we have built. So the companies that we deal with, some are really looking for customer acquisition. Others are really looking for, an IPO type event. But those are actually traditionally not traditionally, but in this world, more startups that are just looking to build a speculative security to raise capital to build something amazing, which is all fine and dandy. It's just not really where we're spending our time focusing. A net result of doing an app coin is that you do raise, or you can raise capital. But we like to see that capital go into monetary policy for the economy that you're generating for the benefit of your customers or your community or your product development or such. So again, it's super greenfield, wide open, blue ocean, whatever terminology you want to use area right now. But the ICO typically has been for capital raising in startups, fashioned after what an IPO is in the security industry. App coins or ICOs are very rapidly moving more to a broader perspective of everything from supply chain management to customer acquisition.